Brad Williams, Excel Prime, show all text before the comma or show nothing in a new list. Pretty much a repeat. I'm going to look at the data here. You can see we have text before B5. We have one delimiter. Recognize, this is important, we have comma, 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 comma. It means we are escaping or we are negating specific arguments. In other words, we're not going to use them. Then we identify the last argument, and that is if not found, value returned, if no match is found, we have blank. Show all text before the comma or show nothing in a new list. At F9, and you can see our delimiter is the comma. In the first example, we have a comma. We're grabbing all text before the comma. The second example, no comma. What's the output? Nothing. Third example, P. Taylor. Fourth example, Lawrence B. Martin. Daniel Smith, nothing. Here's the narrative. Take a look at it. Here's the anatomy. The only change, if not found, inputted, double quotes. Read it if you need it. Review the anatomy. Change up the data. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Off to the next tutorial.